Australia menguncurkan dana hibah sebesar 50 juta dolar Australia untuk pembangunan proyek IPAL di Kota Palembang. Saat ini progres pembangunannya sudah 30%. Australia bersama pemerintah Kota Palembang berkomitmen untuk mengatasi masalah sanitasi dengan membangun instalasi pengolahan air limbah dengan kucuran dana hibah dari pemerintah Australia. Proyek ini sangat penting bagi lingkungan dan kesehatan masyarakat.
I'd just like to say thank you very much to Bapak Wali Kota for his hosting us here today. We've had a very good meeting. We're very proud to be supporting the water and sanitation projects in Palembang City. And the Australian government is very happy to be working together with the Palembang government and the National Indonesian government for this very important project, which is good for the environment, it's good for people's health, and it's good for jobs and employment in the city of Palembang. So, thank you very much.
Wali Kota Palembang Harnojoyo berterima kasih dan mengapresiasi keseriusan Australia membantu mengatasi persoalan sanitasi di Kota Palembang melalui program PCSP. Pemkot Palembang optimis setelah IPAL selesai persoalan sanitasi bisa teratasi. Aprianto, PAL TV.